An automatic repair loop in Windows 10 can occur when your system encounters an error that prevents it from booting up normally. The system will attempt to automatically repair itself, but if it is unsuccessful, it may get stuck in a continuous loop of trying to repair itself. The following steps can help you resolve the issue. Step 1. Disable automatic restart. During startup, when the Windows automatic repair screen appears, press and hold the power button to force the system to shut down. Repeat this process 3 times in a row to trigger the Windows recovery environment screen. Click on Advanced Options and then select Troubleshoot. Choose Advanced Options again and then click on Startup Settings. Click on Restart and then press the F8 key to access the Startup Settings screen. Select Disable Automatic Restart on System Failure and then press Enter to restart the computer. Step 2. Run a virus scan. In the Windows Recovery Environment screen, select Troubleshoot. Choose Advanced Options and then select Command Prompt. Type in Notepad and then press Enter. Click on File and then select Open. Browse to this PC and then select your C drive. Navigate to Windows, System 32, Drivers, etc. and then select the host file. Remove any lines containing suspicious website addresses and then save the file. Close Notepad and then restart your computer. Step 3. Check for hard drive errors. In the Windows Recovery Environment screen, select Troubleshoot. Choose Advanced Options and then select Command Prompt. Type in chkdsk f/rc and then press Enter. Wait for the system to check for and repair any errors on your hard drive. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. If the above steps do not resolve the automatic repair loop issue, you may need to consider restoring your system to a previous restore point or performing a clean installation of Windows 10.